Welcome back once again. It's time for that what? You rock. Yeah. So we got another delivery came in, you know what I'm saying? Like I say, I was incapacitated if you saw one of my videos earlier. And couldn't get to it. But let's see what we got. Check that out. FedEx dropped one, you know what I'm saying? FedEx in the game. Like I was talking about the DHL, I may have to put some stock in it, you know what I'm saying? Let's cut into it. I ain't gonna hold y'all up too long. I was waiting to open this thing, man. I said, man, I need to open this up. Nicely sealed, you know what I'm saying? Okay, here we go again. It's a black diamond off that U-Rock collection. You know what I'm saying? Like, we seen that box before. I know, but guess what? It ain't the same thing up in here. Because there was a situation going on with that one. A situation. Every now and then you have a situation. Not a problem, a situation. Oh, here we go. U-Rock shipment. Lefts and rights coming at you. I think I like these. Some active wear. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. And they straps. Hit them with the strap ups. You know what I mean? Strap up on them. Look at that. Oh, hold up. You know the tradition. Fresh Italian leather right there. New car smell on your feet. Look at that. Part of the active series. Gripping them up. Get you some run on or something. You know what I'm saying? Brisk walk in or whatever you want to do. While these at the gym, stun on them. You know what I'm saying? If you don't mind messing them up. You know what I mean? I keep mine like trophy pieces because, you know, I design these things. I'm like, man, you know what? I ain't even wearing some of these shoes. But I'm going to wear this one. Do a rotisserie roll for y'all. A rotisserie roll. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Color schemed up. Black on gray. Part of that U-Rock. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what? Don't forget, we got that rights and lefts. Now, let me talk about this one shoe in the box. No, man. Get that black diamond box up out the way. I like that. Put it up under your bed or something. You know what I'm saying? Put your goodies in it. Look at that. Rights and lefts. Already. Strapping them up. Easy in, easy out. Things got some grip too. Things got some grip. They ain't coming off. You know what I'm saying? Take it to the gym with you. New on the lineup. Strap ups. Lightweight. Durability. Lightweight. Real lightweight. This color scheme follows one of the older color schemes. Pair of pillars that was out. There's a story behind this one. You know what I'm saying? Check out the video. Check out the video on it. I took this color. And put it on the straps. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, don't forget to hit the description too, because they're gonna get you $20 off on these things. Put the $20 off coupon code, you know what I'm saying? Go to the website, put the coupon code in, get you $20 off. You know what I'm saying? Save you some money in this game. Represent that you rock. You are okay. Go out there and make something positive happen, man. Do something good. Do it for your fam. For the babies. Leave a legacy. You know what I'm saying? If they want to pick it up after you gone, hey, love them. Well, you can't really let them, because if you gone, they're going to do what they want, right? It is what it is. Finna go put these on right now, man. But look here. You rocks in the building. You are okay. You know what I'm saying? You can wear these out to the club, dinner, lunch, brunch, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Get your workout on them if you want to. That's what you want to do with them. It's up to you. You pay for them. You do what you want. These are going to be my new walkers on a daily basis. You know what I'm saying? I like these. Lightweight. Good grip, too. All right. Hey, appreciate it for the love and support, man. Y'all hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Hit the links in the description. $20 off. Get your, save you some money in this game. You know what I'm saying? Fresh to you. Don't come to me. It comes to you. Straight from Italy. You know what I'm saying? Fresh Italian leather. Craftsmanship on point. Look at that. Unique to the game. You don't want to lace them up? Strap them up. You know what I'm saying? Quick and easy. Get on up. You know what I'm saying? Hey, appreciate the love and support, man. Y'all hit me up in the comments. You know what I'm saying? Like, subscribe. Share with your friends. Or whoever you're trying to share with. Just share it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get this thing going worldwide. All right. Appreciate y'all.